Why should I paint my home before I list it if the new homeowner is just likely to change it? This is probably the number one question that we get from our clients, and we understand that it might seem like a bit of a waste if the new homeowner might just change it. But I want to give you a few reasons why it really makes sense to do this. For starters, if the colors that you've chosen for your walls currently are bold and bright, it's going to distract potential buyers from being able to really see the space and see the potential of the rooms. In addition, a fresh neutral paint means that the new homeowner doesn't have to paint right away and gives the home that instant move-in ready look. Sure, they might decide to change the color at some point, but by providing freshly painted walls, your buyers will not feel that they need to tackle this right away, and they can concentrate on other areas. Finally, it is the least expensive update that you can do for your home with the absolute greatest return on your investment. It's like money in a can. Why wouldn't you want to do that?